Employees only past this point. You want to buy something? Talk to Mr. Sonshall. You still look like a customer to me, mate. Talk to Mr. Sonshall.
All right, look at me.
Let's see what we have here.
We need to tell the Flaming Fist, get this kid some help. And have them lock us up for 2 murders we didn't do.
A hero at heart.
Anyway, we'd have better luck with a guild.
Salutations.
The steel watch and the...
If it is for the...
Ready and willing.
Evidence!
Defender of the people. Elminster's not around, so might as well. Where am I needed?
What am I to do? Let's see what my touch can do.
Unless you got hired since we last...
What now?
There's no time to waste. Let's try this way.
Defender of the people. Of Ronwood.
Fresh orders? Out of my way.
adventure awaits.
Pressure steady. Are we at temperature yet?
Any spillage and there'll be
Maintaining temperature. Steady at the mark.
I know you do, kid, I know.
Where's an apprentice when you need one? Done.
Arrest the smell.
Some help too,
The pride of the gate. Heading out.
My faith protects me. Got to press on.
In your name. If you insist.
Steady. Steady.
Gonna need to change out this
Spillage
barrel
and I'll be
soon.
picking my teeth out of the roof beams.
Your desire.
Where's an apprentice
Most
when you need
excellent.
one? Done. 8, 9, 10. Good. All fingers on talent.
Come here anyway. Better not with a kill.
Armor needed.
Can't afford to stay idle. On I go.
I am listening. Quick march.
Pipes are looking a little rusted.
Steady.
Are we scheduled for
Any
maintenance?
spillage and I'll be picking my
Can't
teeth
afford
out
a
of the
failure on a critical pipe.
Where's an apprentice when you
Not
need
critical, just a bastard if it breaks.
10.
Won't blow us up.
All fingers on talent.